first day of Chuseok. I'm gonna be spending it doing nothing essentially. But today I'm going to visit a place in Seoul, a ramen shop that Wonho says that he likes. Oh my god, it looks like shit. Hold on, let me change real quick. Wait, just kidding. My hair color is looking like shit. So, oh my voice. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like all these weird hair colors going on in my hair, so I need to like even it out. This is my go-to hair treatment. It's like $9, and rather than like a hair dye, it's just like a hair treatment, so it doesn't really damage my hair. In fact, it makes my hair feel a little bit better. These other colors too, but I don't know if I'm not really feeling them right now. All right, now I'll see you in a bit. I'm slowly coming to the realization that, kind of like Joan, no matter how much makeup I put on my face, it all kind of ends up looking the same. I guess it's because our features are kind of like strong. Especially since we both have eyes that like... you guys remember this area? I'm almost done cleaning it. This is disgusting. I'm like moving this sofa thing upstairs, and I put this mirror here. I feel like it like really opens up the space, and I can take outfit shots. But I also need to buy some thing to kind of decorate the outside because it's kind of just plain and boring. Another thing is that this flooring, there's so much dust and you can see all the hair and stuff. So sorry. I went to VT again because someone was like, "Oh, BTS is coming out with makeup," so I had to read that, but I don't think it came out yet. But I was still walking around in there looking at what they have, and it turns out that they do have a darker color for the foundation that they came out with. Because at the time of my review, I was like, they only have one shade, and I don't know why they came out with this one later. Because literally everywhere I went, it was like, no, we only have one color. And even at the shop at like Shikor, where they sell VT, it was only like one color, but now they have a deeper color, number 23. Which is my exact shade for most foundations. I bought it again because I actually gave away the other one because it just did not suit me. There's of course the stickers, so I'm gonna decorate it. And then they actually do have color makeup spread. I thought it was just base makeup because they have like 40 different foundation, like cushion foundations like that. But they have this cheek palette, eye and cheek palette, so I'm gonna try that later. But today I'm wearing all the new, well, minus this, the new like Nature Public. She's stepping up her game finally. I love their new aesthetic because Nature Public, they weren't doing it for me. They were relying too much on EXO, I feel like, but I'm really enjoying like their new aesthetic, which is nice. I'm here with 안 나오는데 갑자기. I'm here with Sarmin, and we're here. What is it? Sanjjome.
Sanjjome.
Bad. 이거지?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is where Wonho recommended the ramen.
2 years ago, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, during Fighter.
Yeah, Fighter.
So let's go in.
Let's go.
Oh, just kidding. That's interest. I was like, oh, let's go in through. It's a shoe store.
Yeah.
The menu. It's ramen. Okay. 드세요. 괜찮아. Just like, bitch, I'm gonna eat.
Enjoy.
I got their like house special, the like miso flavor in this one. So I mean,
Sanjjome ramen.
I mean, if you have Japanese or not ramen, then. 근데 the 면's kind of different. 미친. 좋아.
Oh, really?
So good. That warm meal. But she was saying their old dorm used to be around this area. And you were saying like this, like the French kind of like areas of the town where it's like a certain group of people, like little like Chinatown, little Tokyo, whatever. This would be like where the French people are, I guess. And there's a lot of like legit French bakeries, which is ironic because we're at a Japanese restaurant. That's why Wonho came here often, I guess, because I thought it was a little strange that he chuchon this restaurant, but it's like not near the Starship building. But I guess this is where they used to stay. Alright, so if you wanna come by, it's very delicious. So I'll link it down below with the address down in the info box. So we came to Hongdae, right? We want to go to the cafe that Dongwon and Wonho were taking pictures at. 언제 찍었지?
It was like 1 or 2 years ago.
Well, that's why. We arrived at the location, but it like looks like it, but the name is completely different. It's gone. She's gone. TTUE, but now it's like Virtuoso
The
Cafe.
interior is different, so
Yeah. Sad. Oh, well, we'll try the other one. The first one was a fail. So now we're at 험밍벨라, where they like kind of did like 알바, right?
Monster X-Ray
Oh.
Season 2.
So this is the entrance. 여기. 들어가보자. 나왔습니다. What did you order?
Vanilla latte.
Oh, unique. I got some kind of juice.
Acai berry thingy. Yeah.
Oh, she knows. And then just a blueberry tart.
Cheesecake and cheese tart. Yeah, with some blueberry jam.
먹어. 먹으라고. Just kidding. The attention to detail. Love that. I actually came here once with it was Coco, Tina, and Ashley. We met over there at Gentle Monster and we came by here for takeout. It looks different, like in the 방송 and like in person, I feel like.
I know.
먹어. What are you waiting for? It's really fucking pretty outside today, but it's like chilly, but then with the sun, it's like hot.
Yeah.
The sun beating down. Oops. I haven't been vlogging. I forgot. Well, what did we do since we last? We were at the other cafe. We did some shopping, came to Shinza, and now we're at another cafe. Cielo, my favorite, because the interior is so pretty. I'm such a good YouTuber. Going to a new place, taking a camera. I'm here. Look. Functional lip color. Just practicing some choreography. Me, Trophy Cat, and GTI are going to be performing at Namisom. I also have some sort of beauty booth at Nami Island. That if you heard of like Daya Festival, it's where like all the creators from Daya TV have like a convention of sorts. My MCN's having one as well. My MCN is called Treasure Hunter, so their event is called Treasure Island. So to fit the theme, they're having it at Nami Island. It's gonna be next month on the 10th. So I have to practice choreography for that. I just got back home. It's 3 in the morning. Like this really weird thing that Eddie showed me. Young Eddie. These like silicone mask things. They're actually meant for, oh girl, all that makeup. You like put a sheet mask on and you use this to hold it down so it keeps the moisture in and the moisture doesn't like evaporate into the air. I thought that was really interesting. I tried it, but like it gets a little much because you have all this shit going on your face. This one is from Apiu, but this one is quite small. My head is small, but I think if your head is any bigger than mine, it would like even for me, it hurts my ears. Like I feel like it's gonna rip my ears off because it stretches so hard. But yeah, I thought this was a cute little device, and it's only like $2. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys had a good time. I will link any of the places that I went to today down below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.